Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our Undercounter refrigerators. This is going to be a 27-inch Undercounter refrigerator. Brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. It's going to be an all stainless steel unit, very good quality. Before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall exterior measurements. I'll also measure the inside for you. Okay, starting here with the length. As we mentioned, you're looking at a total of 27 inches. Okay, front to back, you're looking at a total of 29.5 inches. And the overall height for this unit, you're looking at a total of 35.5 inches high. As you can see, the unit does have wheels on the bottom, okay, so you can easily move it around. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open up the front for you, show you the front inside. Okay, starting with the shelf, you will be provided with one shelf for this unit. As well, we have a manual provided for this refrigerator. You also have a thermometer on the right hand side, and on the left hand side we have a sticker with all these specs, circuit diagram, and certifications for this unit. Okay, so that's all going to be located on the inside. Now, inside measurements, front to back, you're looking at a total of 18 inches. Left to right, total of 22.5 inches. And the overall height on the inside, you're looking at a total of 23 inches height on the inside. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and show you the back of this unit. We're going to go ahead and turn this around and show you the back. And on the back is where you'll be able to locate your plug. It is a standard US plug. Also, we have a controller for temperature, also located on the back of this unit. So simply, this is where temperature will be displaying once the unit is on and running. And you can set your temperature on that same control. Okay, so that's going to be located on the back. And that's simply going to be a demonstration for this unit. Now, if you're interested in one of these under-counter refrigerators, you can go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.